What's up, everyone? This is VHS DVD Blu-ray Fever's Australia. Today I'm going to unbox the Fate of the Furious 4K Ultra HD plus Blu-ray plus digital. Wow, this slipcover is awesome. Wow, look at this. I got this 2 for $40 with Gladiator, which I unboxed already on my Dreamverse channel. So there's the front, the spine, the other side, and the back. And this was actually the only one that I had with the slip. 4 times sharper than HD. Wow. This is a Universal movie co-produced by original film. Let's get this open. Wow, this is nice. Okay, here's the slip without the plastic. Now look, and code inside unlocks the extended part only on digital. Oh, so oops, that sticker came out. I'll stick that back on. Maybe I shouldn't have peeled that off. Actually, but wow, it's still an awesome slip cover. Let's take it out of the slip. There it is. Pretty much the same. But the different thing is, you have the characters on the side. There's a comparison of both. You open it up. There's the digital copy, which I'm not going to show. And there's the 4K Ultra HD disc. And the Blu-ray, which the Blu-ray is a blue disc, but the 4K has artwork. And I hope you enjoyed my 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray unboxing of the Fate of the Furious. Bye.